Okay, in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to insert rows as well as columns and to delete them both. First of all, if you'd like to insert columns, you highlight the column that you want to insert a blank one to its left. It will insert to the left. Now, if you want to insert 3 columns, don't do them one at a time. Highlight 3 columns. And then when you right click, you will insert. You see, it gave you 3 columns. Now, if I wanted to insert rows, I'd highlight them. If I wanted to insert 3 rows, you highlight 3 of them, right click, insert. Now, let me make sure that you understand. Let's undo those. If I wanted to delete a column, you have to be very careful, because if you decide that you want to delete this column, not only will you lose that data, what if there are formulas way down here that you don't see? What happens to that? They get deleted. See, there's a difference between you trying to delete, let's say, this, and you trying to delete this. That goes down to over 1,000,000 rows. This would only delete that data. You could actually right click, and the minute that you hit delete, it's going to delete that data. You see, it says, what do you want to do? If I delete that, do you want me to shift the cells to the left? You want to shift them up? You want the entire row, entire column? And you say, no, I only want this data right here deleted, and I want to shift it all to the left. You see? Now that data right there is gone. Now, yes, if I did undo, it would put it right back. But I'm talking about if you saved it, exited it out. But I'm talking about if you did this, just always remember, think of the data that's below it. The same as a row. That goes all the way to the end of the worksheet. That's totally different than deleting that. If I delete that, the same thing's going to happen. Watch. Right click, delete, and it says, what do you want to do? Since I'm only deleting that and not the entire row, you want to shift the cells up. You see? Now you see the difference between inserting a column and a row and deleting a column and a row. So that's it.